Creating a fidget toy with basic supplies. The things you'll need are a pump, a tire gauge, a hose, 2 hose clamps, and a flat screwdriver. The first step is connecting one side of the hose to the tire gauge and using a hose clamp to hold it in place. When that's completed, you're going to connect the other side of the hose to the pump and use a hose clamp to hold it in place. When all that's been completed, you have yourself a great fidget toy. Only 25 psi. I can do better than that. Now it's on 30 psi. Reset. Try again. Oh man, only 30 psi. Reset again. 1, 2, 3. 30 psi. One more time. Don't tell me this is my limit. 30 psi. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 40 psi. Yes, that's it. 40 psi. Reset. 1, 2. That's not good. 30 psi. That's sad. That was fun. Reset. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.